Okay, in this lesson we'll discuss about the mistakes in Tajweed. We have two types of mistakes in Tajweed. One is called the clear or the major mistakes, another one which is called in Arabic Lahan al-Jali. These mistakes is actually change the meaning of the Quranic word. Yeah, these mistakes occurs when you actually recite one letter in place of the other, or to add or delete a letter from a word, or to change the vowels, yeah, of the letters. Like for example, if there is a Quranic word called the nasta'in, but if you incorrectly pronounce it nasta'in, you just stretch that little bit. Nasta'in, it's a major mistake. It's changing the meaning. And you also delete one letter called like walam yulad. You say walam yulad. Yulad in place you said yulad. Or you can change the letter. Say alhamdu. You said alhamdu with the ha sound. Rather than saying ha, you said ha. Or change the vowels like an'amta, then but you said an'amtu. That's also the mistakes in Tajweed. So major mistakes changes the meaning of the word in the Quran. Another one is the minor mistake. We call it or the hidden mistakes. We call it in Arabic is lahan khafi. These type of changes actually does not change any meaning in the Quranic word, but the beauty of the Quran, the word of the God, diminishes. There are different types of the minor mistakes. Some scholars says there's if you falters in the temporary characteristics, like we call it in Arabic sifat al-arida, like the nasalization in the some words, or the stretching the some words, or making the sound as a full mouth or the empty mouth. These are called as the minor mistakes. So we should avoid these minor mistakes to beautify the Quran while reciting. But we must avoid the major mistakes because it changes the meaning of the whole thing,